Hello friends. Do you think you can make a video like this in just a few minutes?
As we embark on a journey through the world's most beautiful villages, we find ourselves captivated. First, there's Hallstatt in Austria. A picture.
You've just watched a short video created by Videogen AI. It is for everyone: content creators, businesses, students, educators. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Videogen AI to create stunning videos step by step. Very quick, very easy to use, I promise. To get started, use the link up here or in the description below to visit the website and log into your account. If you're new, signing up is super simple. You use your Google account or email. Using Google account is the fastest way. Now, unlock the full potential of Videogen AI with the upgrade plan. Gain access to premium templates, advanced AI voiceovers, high-resolution exports, and priority support. Once you're in, let's get started. Click Generate Video. Inside there are many options for you. You want to make YouTube video, right? Click this. Next, enter your script. If you don't have a script, don't worry. Use our AI script generator to craft one in seconds. For example, if you want to create a series of videos about the top 10 in the world, simply type your idea into ChatGPT to get a ready-to-use script tailored to your audience, such as, "Write me 30 video topics about top 10 in the world." Then start your video with the first one. Videogen AI will analyze it to suggest visuals, transitions, and even voiceovers to match your content. Now comes the fun part. Choose from a library of professionally designed templates or customize your video by uploading your own images and clips. Adjust fonts, colors, and animations to match your brand or vision. Enhance your video with AI-generated voiceovers. Select from a range of natural-sounding voices, accents, and languages to give your video a professional touch. You can even adjust the tone and speed for the perfect delivery. Are you ready to see your masterpiece? 3, 2, 1. Look at this. If you spot something you want to, go ahead and refine it in just a few clicks. Wait, I forgot to add music. Music makes your video sound even more lively.
Hey everyone. Today, let's dive into the top 10 most beautiful beaches in the world. Picture this: powdery white sands, crystal clear waters, and sunsets that paint the sky, from the Maldives to...
When you're happy with the result, hit Export to download your video. Choose the resolution that fits your needs, whether it's for social media, presentations, or professional projects. And that's it. With Videogen AI, creating high-quality videos is super easy and just in few minutes. Try it today and turn your ideas into stunning visuals. Videogen AI, your ideas are magic. Now, click the link below in the description to start creating your amazing videos today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more AI tutorial videos. If you like this video, hit the like button. See you on the next video.